Hello beauties, it's me, Sarah. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure if you already read the title, you know what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be turning myself into a fairy, and I'm super excited to do so. This look is for a collaboration that I am doing on Instagram, and I'm going to insert a little clip here of all the other amazing artists that did this collaboration with me. They did so good, they're so beautiful, and so freaking talented, so I think you guys should check them out. Roll the clip! I even made my very own fairy wings with the help of my boyfriend. We got some twigs from outside, and we got some fabric from Joann's, and then some little flowers, and they're just so cute. I'm obsessed with the way that they turned out. Last minute, I also decided to make a little headband. Not sure where I want to place it yet, but I think it's adorable. So anyways, let me stop rambling and let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty beauties, so first thing is first, and I am going to prime my eyelids with my e.l.f. camo concealer and just clean up my eyebrows. I love cleaning up my eyebrows with concealer because I feel like it just makes them look so much more clean. Okay, so today I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Just Peachy palette because it has all these beautiful pinks in it, and I am going to be a pink fairy today. I'm going to take the shade Just Peachy, which is like this beautiful peachy light pink shade, and I'm just going to start putting it right here on the inner corner of my crease. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Peach Punch, which is a little bit darker than the other shade that we used, and putting it right next to Just Peachy in the crease and blending it out. Now that I have both of those shades on, I am going to dip into my micellar water with a flat brush, and I am going to cut my crease just so that I can get a good outline for where I'm going to cut my crease with my concealer. Now that I got my crease cut with my micellar water, I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer on the back of my hand, find another flat brush, and then cut my crease with the concealer. Now I'm going to be taking the highlighter that I'm using today, and I really want to put that all over my lid for some reason. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take some on a flat brush and put it all over my lid. Like, look at that. Ooh. Next, I'm going to be taking some of this NYX liquid glitter liner, and I'm going to be putting this in my crease, right on that line. I have some gold face tattoos to put on with this fairy look, so I think this liner will go really great with it. Now that I am done with that glitter liner, I want to go in with a small brush and kind of take this shade, the Peach Punch shade, and wing it out a bit. I'm sorry if y'all hear thunder in the background during the remainder of this video because Florida's weather kind of changes drastically, but I just got done winging it out, and now we're going to go ahead and start on the face. Today I kind of feel like being luminous and glowy, so I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Do You a Fresh Glow primer, and I honestly haven't used this a lot, so I'm excited to see how it works on my skin today. It does smell freaking amazing. Now I'm going to let that primer dry for a minute. Now that my primer is nice and dry, I'm going to be going in with my Urban Decay Stay All Day foundation. It is very beautiful and very full coverage. Just what I love. So I bet you already guessed what concealer I'm using today, but I am going in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Y'all already know this is a diehard fave for me. Time to get to blending. I would love to do an in-depth contour video for you guys, so if that's something that you would want to see, then let me know down in the comments. But now I am going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder and start setting under my eyes before it starts to crease. Now that my face is all set with powder, I am going to be going into contouring. And today we're not doing regular contouring. Today I'm going to be doing pink contouring. So I'm going to take the same shade again, Peach Punch, and I'm just going to start making little circular motions right where I would normally put my bronzer. Now contouring my forehead with that same pink shade. Just a little bit of pink under my chin. And now for the nose. Now I'm gonna bake like I usually do around my nose for at least a minute. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go in with this really peachy blush from Milani. This one is called Coral Cove. I'm going to go in with a fluffy e.l.f. brush and start putting that all over my cheeks. I want to be super pink today. I'm using the same blush brush to go ahead and wipe off this bake. I think I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Peach Sangria, just to deepen my contour a little bit at the top. Oh yeah, that makes a world of difference. Now that we are done with contouring, I want to take the same shade that I took to do a little bit of darker contouring, which is Peach Sangria. I'm going to take that on a flat brush, and I'm going to blend it out and blow it out under my eye. Now to add a little pop of color on our waterline, I'm going to be taking this peachy shade in my CC Beauty 12 color flash case that I got off of Amazon, and I am going to be lining my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and spritz my face with some setting spray. And I like to fan my setting spray because I feel like it dries down faster, and also it gives it a flawless finish. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with the same shade that we put on our lids, which is the Airspun Loose Face Highlighter in the shade Snow Much Ice. This is one of my all-time favorite highlighters because look how blinding. Wow. I'll do it again. And again. Oof. I just love it. And oh baby, don't forget that brow bone. Last but not least, we're gonna highlight this inner corner. Oh my lord, I can't get over it. Now that we are highlighted to the sun, the moon, the freaking universe, we are going to find out where we want to place these cute little tattoos that I received in PR from Pixie. Alrighty beauties, out of all the tattoos, I cut out these two and I cut out these like little star ones. So what I'm thinking is that I can put the star ones like maybe right here on top of the highlight, and then maybe doing these ones like right here like this, or like this, or maybe just like right on top of the contour. I'm not quite sure where I want to place the tattoos yet, but I'm just going to play around with them and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I decided to put this one right here on the contour and I really love the way that it looks. So I'm just going to show you guys like how I'm going to do it over here. So what I did is I like held it up and it is a little too long for my face. So I did chop it off a little bit right here on the end. And then I peel off the little sticky thing, place it where I want it to be, and then I take a damp cloth, this one is a paper towel, and just hold it there until you feel like it's been there long enough and the tattoo is sticking. And voila! Now I'm going to be going in with my Zorura Cosmetics mascara. You can also use Save 15 at Zorura Cosmetics now for 15% off your order. Now I'm going to be popping on some lashes from Mink Lash Toronto, aka Pretty Wink Lashes on Instagram. You can use code BEAUTY for money off your order. Now that the lashes are on and looking fabulous, I am going to go in with this mini lipstick from New View Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Blush. It looks like it's not going to be pigmented, but when you put it on your lips, it has the cutest little pink shade to it. Alrighty beauties, I'm gonna hop off camera, do my hair, put on my fairy wings, put on my cute little headband, and I'll be back for the final look. Alrighty beauties, this is the final look. I am obsessed. I'm mostly just obsessed with the wings because I love the way they turned out. They are so freaking cute, and a big shout out to my boyfriend for helping me make them. I couldn't have done it without him. It's just so cute. Alrighty beauties, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a little comment and say hey. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys.